CD from Germany, he says, what's your advice to the students who live in non-Muslim countries? And they have to go through the normal schooling system, which involves studying Darwinism, atheism, kufr, free mixing, sexual learning or education, going to the same swimming pool, boys and girls, and having their PE classes, all the filth that you can think of, according to us Muslims. So what's your advice? Well, akhi, the advice is, one, migrate. Leave that disbelieving country and their benefits and their nice social system and the wealth you can get. Run with your religion. If you're unable to do this, collaborate as to the best of your ability to build Muslim schools. If it does not exist. If it exists, take your kids and put them in Muslim schools. Even if it's far, even if it's expensive. At least give them the environment to be brought up as proud Muslims, not as distorted individuals who don't know whether they're kafir or Muslims, whether they're Westerners or from their origin country. It's a melting pot that they put all filth and trash in it to bring up what we see in their country. No, you want your children to become proud Muslims and good citizens, but their Islam comes first, not their passport or nationality. If this is not possible, then collaborate to get your kids to build schools for Muslim children, with businessmen, with donors, with whatever. If this is not possible, you have to give your children homeschooling and not allow them to go to such environment, because at the end of the day, you're putting them into the fire. You're putting them in the furnace. No. If you put them in public schools, you have no control on what they learn. And they don't have the filtering system that prevents them. And they're young. And it's free mixing. Everybody's partying. Everybody's having sex. Even girls in the age of 12 or 13 years of age lose their virginity and they think it's good. If you're 15 and not lost it yet, there's something wrong with you. If you're a boy and you're 15 or 16 and not lost yours, there's something wrong. Are you gay? When are you going to come out of the closet? And you can say whatever you want about LGBTQ, FYZ. All of this filth is there. What are you doing there? Oh, Sheikh, I have to work. I have to make money. I'd like to have a 50-inch LCD screen. I need to have membership for Netflix. You want this dunya? Enjoy it. But don't complain and come after 10, 15 years and crying to the shuyukh and to the da'is and to the scholars saying, oh, my girl, my daughter, my beloved daughter ran away with her boyfriend. Oh, my son is gay. He's not a man anymore. Or he's a drug addict. This is the norm. People there say, hey, they'll come after 10, 20 years back to normal. They're disbelievers, they're kafir. And most likely they will say, take him to a psychiatrist. He will fix him. The psychiatrist is the one who made him like that in the first place. So I would highly recommend any Muslim parents to think twice about staying in a kafir country. Now, don't put hurdles, say, oh, there's no Muslim country that would accept me. There are tens of Muslim countries, but you're looking for something that is equivalent to Canada, to Europe, to America, in everything, and this is not possible. Take care of their Islam and their Iman. This is your priority. Okay, you don't have the financial ability now, plan, at least for 2 years, 3 years from now, so that you can save and move back to your original country, and Allah knows best.